In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to count words in Obsidian so you can track your writing progress right inside your knowledge management system. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking app built on plain text files, and while it's famous for linking ideas and building a second brain, it also includes a simple but essential tool for writers, the word count feature. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, you need to have Obsidian open and ready to go. Launch Obsidian on your computer as you normally would, and give it a moment to finish loading. Especially if you have a large vault with many plugins, it may take a few extra seconds to fully initialize. Once the application is up, open the vault that contains the note you want to analyze. If you only have one vault, it will likely load automatically, but if you have multiple vaults, select the correct one from the vault switcher. Inside your vault, locate and open the specific note you want to check. Word count works for both new and existing notes, so whether you're in the middle of a fresh draft or revisiting an older piece, you're all set. This feature is especially useful for tracking essays, blog posts, reports, journals, and any other long-form writing where length matters. Just make sure your note actually contains some text. If it's completely blank, the word count will naturally be 0, so have at least a sentence or two ready to count. Now, with your note open in the editor, look at the top right corner of the note pane. You'll see a small icon that looks like 3 dots arranged vertically. This is the More Options menu. Go ahead and click that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. If you don't see the 3 dots, double-check that your note is actually open in the editor and not just selected in the File Explorer. The note needs to be displayed in the main editing area for the More Options menu to show up. This menu contains additional tools for managing your note, including options like pinning the note, splitting the pane, and accessing note properties. It's a handy little hub that you'll likely use often as you navigate Obsidian, so getting familiar with it early on is a good practice. From that drop-down menu, click the option that says Show Note Properties. A new panel or window will appear, typically sliding in from the right side of the Obsidian interface. This Note Properties window displays useful information about your current note, and it updates automatically as your note changes. Besides the word count, you can also see other details like the character count, the date the note was created, and the date it was last modified. Some versions of Obsidian may also show reading time estimates or other metadata, depending on your setup and any plugins you have installed. The point here is that this isn't just a one-trick feature. It gives you a snapshot of your note's vital statistics all in one place. Inside the Note Properties window, locate the section labeled Word Count. It will display the total number of words currently in your note, calculated in real time. Review the number, and if you're editing your document, you can close the Properties panel and continue writing. The word count updates automatically as you type or delete text, so the next time you open the properties, it will reflect your latest changes. This is incredibly helpful when you need to monitor your progress toward a specific goal, whether you're hitting a minimum word count for an assignment or staying under a maximum for a blog post. Use the word count to keep yourself on track without ever having to leave Obsidian or copy your text into a separate tool. Once you've checked your word count, you can return to your note and continue working. Add more content, delete existing text, or make edits as needed. Whenever you want to see the updated count, simply reopen the Show Note Properties menu and glance at the word count section again. During longer writing sessions, checking your word count periodically can help you stay aware of your pace and prevent you from overshooting or falling short. Setting word count goals is a proven productivity technique, but remember, don't focus only on the number of words. Prioritize clear and meaningful writing over hitting a target, because quality always trumps quantity. Finally, remember that you can use this word count feature throughout your entire workflow. Open other notes in your vault and check their word counts using the exact same process. Just open the note, click the 3 dots, and select Show Note Properties. As your vault grows, regularly monitoring your writing progress helps you stay on track with projects. Whether you're a student working on research papers, a writer drafting articles, a blogger planning posts, or a researcher documenting findings, combine the word count with Obsidian's other tools like backlinks, tags, and custom properties to organize your writing projects more effectively. The word count becomes a simple but powerful metric for measuring your productivity and managing larger writing tasks as your vault expands. So there you have it. You now know exactly how to count words in Obsidian. By using this built-in feature, you can quickly monitor the length of any note and track your writing progress without any extra setup or external tools. Whether you're working on assignments, documentation, articles, or personal journals, the word count helps you stay aware of your progress while keeping everything neatly organized inside your vault. As a next step, consider setting a daily word count goal for a current project and checking your progress each time you open Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to save this video so you can revisit these steps whenever you need them. Happy writing!